Alright, here you go, TTG. Jasper reset glitch. A plus console repair. 4/24, 2013. Here we go. Usually boots on the fourth glitch, or by the fourth glitch. That one booted right up.
So insane. I gotta tell you, I love dogs. Like, I mean, you guys all did me huge solid doing the fundraiser for the dog last week. I love dogs.
Try one more just to get a feel.
People who don't let somebody like him like serve his time and then get another shot at like earning a living again. 'Cause a lot of people were like rightfully were critical of what he did. Right. But he lost his name. He lost hundreds of millions of dollars. Probably, right? Absolutely. His contract was like about the biggest at the time. He had crazy endorsements. He went to prison, which is what.
Yeah, usually by the fourth glitch. So sometimes it might take about 10 seconds. You know what I mean? But it's not that bad. Boots consistently on the fourth glitch. So, yeah, Jasper. Can't go wrong with the Jasper. For sale, ready to play, console only, Elite Jasper 2008. Anything else you need to know or more pics or whatever, just hit me up, PM me.